have a soda, please?
Judy, that fine soldier standing over your door. Oh, he's a local boy. Reuben Carter, I think.
Make it 2.
He's coming over here. Oh, no, stay cool.
Rub, I just want you to know if this doesn't work, I'm busting you out of here.
You are?
Yeah, that's right. I'm busting you out of here.
What was the first book you got?
Yours?
You think that was an accident?
No.
No, me neither. Lesper, short for Lazarus. He who is risen from the dead. Reuben. Genesis chapter 29, verse 32. Behold, a son. You put those two together, Lesber, and you have behold a son who is risen from the dead. That's no accident. Hate put me in prison. Love's gonna bust me out.
Any sleep? Your light's been on all night.
I just can't stop reading, man. This book's about my life.
Jeez, at least you got a smoke for breakfast.
Do you know when we met in Brooklyn?
Yeah?
Why'd you take me home? Well, you know, you met my folks, man. And you brought me up here. You did all this stuff for me?
Yeah?
No, I mean, why? Why'd you do all that?
Because you were smart and funny.
In short, you know, I figured it'd be good for you to spend a little time with some tall white people.
Yeah, absolutely.
What'd you do because I'm black? And you thought I couldn't do it myself? Because Reuben did it all himself, you know.
Hey, Liz, we didn't feel sorry for you. We met you and got to know you and realized you could accomplish some things. And like a lot of us, you could use some help. I'm sure that Hurricane Carter had some help along the way. None of us does it alone.
Hey, as far as doing it for yourself goes, nobody can learn anything for you. Trust me. Everything you're doing now, you're doing for yourself.
I'll get it.
You know, I've been thinking.
Yeah?
Hi, Joe.
About what?
No, he's here. You just... I don't think he...
Think I want to put up a heavy bag, you know? Like a big punching bag.
Those renovations, probably the end of the month.
Well, any special reason?
No, there's 2 other...
No, man, I just feel like punching something.